Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Mississippi mud potatoes. Alright guys, I'm starting out in an 9x13 baking pan I sprayed with some canola spray. And I diced some potatoes up about that size. About the size of a sugar cube. I'm going to start by putting a little bit of salt and pepper in here. It's going to be a quick, easy one for Sunday night because I go back to work tomorrow and I'm really not in the mood to cook something big. Alright, now I'm going to add in 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, and I'm just eyeballing this. Let me grab my spoon. Just give that a quick stir. Just want to blend it around a little bit because we're adding some more stuff in here. Okay, that's looking good. Now I'm going to add a half of an onion that I diced up. And I'm using the other half because I'm making hamburger patties and gravy to go with this. I'm going to put these in hamburgers. I'm going to add in 3 teaspoons of garlic. And I'm using the pre-chopped stuff. If you use the fresh stuff, use about 3 cloves. Stir that around a little bit. And you want to coat your potatoes good with that mayonnaise. So you want to make sure you get it mixed well. Now I have a pound of bacon that I browned up in the oven and I diced up with my knife. We're going to get that in. And I have some shredded cheddar cheese. I'm going to go for about 2 cups of cheese. And you just want to blend everything stir it well together. This way here, everybody will get a little bit of something in their portion when they take a bite. And I'm going to put a little extra cheese on top. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to cover this with foil. I'm going to put it in a 400-degree oven, covered with foil, for about 45 minutes to an hour until my potatoes are tender. So I'm going to go ahead and get that covered and get it in the oven. Alright guys, this is done. It took an hour. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also went ahead and made some hamburgers with gravy to go with this. Let me get ahead and try the potatoes. Get a little bit of everything in there. They're really good. Potatoes are tender. They're cheesy. You get that bacon. You get the garlic and onion. They're really delicious. They'd be good for a main course or as a side as I'm serving them. Alright, there you have it. Mississippi mud potatoes. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.